Hello. Today we're going to learn about animal senses. They're pretty much like yours, but way better. Here's you. You sense the world in 5 ways. With your eyes, you see. With your mouth, you taste, specifically your tongue. With your skin, you touch, often with your hands. With your ears, you hear. And of course, with your nose, you smell. Animals work very much the same sort of way. They hear with their ears. They see with their eyes. They smell with their nose. They taste with their mouth and touch the world with their skin. Senses are how an animal detects the world around them: sight, hearing, touch, smell, and taste. Sight. Humans see pretty well, but other animals often see better or differently. Eagles see up to 8 times as far as humans. Insects with compound eyes can see at a wider angle. Hearing. We use our ears to hear sound waves. Some animals, like dolphins and bats, have such good hearing. They use echolocation to find prey and navigate. Touch. Your skin is your largest organ, and it is filled with nerve cells that register feeling. Mice have whiskers, special long hairs, to help them feel how large an opening is. Smell. We smell particles in the air by moving them through our nose. Dogs have an incredible sense of smell. They can easily smell things they can't see or were there in the past. Taste. We taste using our taste buds on our tongues. You can taste sweet, sour, bitter, and salty. Cats have no taste buds for sweet things. That's why they're so picky. Stimulus. Anything that an animal can sense is a stimulus. Something they can see, smell, hear, touch, or taste. Like this kid seeing a tiger. Scary. Response. How an animal acts when they are receiving a stimulus, like a dog barking when they hear a noise they think is alarming. Some animals have extra senses. Pit vipers are a snake with heat pits that they can sense heat from warm bodies up to 3 feet away. Some animals are missing a sense. Several animals, like the darkling beetle, the black African millipede, or the Kentucky cave shrimp, have no eyes at all and are blind. You'll now do a vocabulary exercise. You'll like it.